tenses. Now before we start tense, let us find out what actually a tense is. We can say tense is a form of a verb which shows time and which shows action. Now we all know there are three tenses and they are divided into four categories. So three tenses are present, past and future tense, and further they are divided into four categories or four subparts, namely indefinite tense, continuous tense, perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. Now there are a few important rules as far as tenses are concerned. Now rule 1 says always use present indefinite tense with the following adverbs: every time, occasionally, hardly, rarely, often, sometimes, usually, generally, seldom, never, regularly, perhaps, etc. For example, we can say I hardly talk to the strangers. Now since we have used the adverb hardly, so with hardly we will take simple present tense or present indefinite tense, that is we will use the first form of the verb. So we have used talk. We will not say I hardly talked or had talked or will be talking. All will be wrong. Coming on to second point, always use present continuous tense with the following adverb: nowadays, at this time, at this moment, at present, these days, today, now. So with these words we will always use present continuous tense. These words or these adverbs actually show some continuity. For example, I can say my friend is reading at this time. So I have used at this time, which shows some continuity. So what actually is happening at this time? My friend, and what he is doing is reading. Is reading shows some continuity. So whenever you have such adverbs like nowadays, at this time, at this moment, at present, these days and today, we will always use present continuous tense. Coming on to the next point, now we will always use present perfect tense with the following adverbs like just, recently, already, till now, yet, lately, so far, up to now, etc. For example, I have just. So I have just. What I have done just? Finished my work. So I have used have finished. Have finished is present perfect tense. So whenever we have such adverbs, we will always use present perfect tense. Now moving further, if there is a continuous action in the past time, now the straight line actually shows a past continuous action. So whenever we talk about any action in past which had some continuity, and suppose some another action happens in between that continuous action, so at the point of the impact we will use a connector, and with the action that happens in between, with that we will use simple past tense. So this shows कि if a past continuous action is going on and another action happens in between, then we will use past continuous tense, simple past tense, and they are joined by a connector. For example, I was reading in my room. Now, I was reading in my room actually shows a continuous action in past. So it is past continuous tense. Now, I have supplied a connector when. So I was reading in my room when. So when actually what actually happened? My friend came. Now my friend came actually is simple past tense. So what actually happened? When an action was going on, or we can say when a continuous action was going on in the past time, another action happened in between. So what actually I was doing? I was reading in my room. So when I was reading in my room, in between what happened in the continuous process, what actually happened? Another action happened, that is my friend came. So when I was reading, my friend came. So the action that happened in between, with that we will use simple past tense. Moving further, present perfect and past perfect tense, both of them, they never take past words. So we can say we should not use some past words with present perfect and past perfect tense. For example, if I say I have gone to Delhi yesterday. Now this sentence, though at times it appears to be correct, but technically it is incorrect. Why? Because we have used have gone, and that is present perfect tense. So with present perfect tense, what actually we are doing? We are using yesterday, which is a past word. So as told earlier, we will never use present perfect as well as past perfect with the words which indicates some past time. One more example we can take. My brother had played cricket last week. Now again the sentence is incomplete or incorrect, we can say. Why? Because we are using had played. Had played is past perfect tense, and with that we are using last week, which is a past time or a past word. So this thing is absolutely clear that we will not use present perfect tense and past perfect tense in a sentence which contains some past words with them. Moving further, avoid two future clauses together in a sentence. For example, I will go to the party when my friend will come. Now over here we have used will go, that is a future indefinite tense. It's a future clause. Similarly, my friend will come. Will come actually is also showing a future time, and it is a future indefinite tense. So we cannot use two future indefinite tenses in a same single sentence. That will be incorrect. The right answer will be I will go to party or the party when my friend comes. So we can say that we should use one present clause and one future clause. Two future clauses will be incorrect.